This is a public emergency broadcast issued in cooperation with the Democratic People's Republic of Virus, DPRV, and Umbrella Corporation, UC. Reports have surfaced of unexplained sensory episodes and epidermal abnormalities across several barangays in Skyland and nearby rural zones. Preliminary symptoms may include tingling in extremities, unnatural skin peeling or blackening, possible dry gangrene, irregular body temperature, hallucinations involving fields, hanging meat, or humanoid figures in agricultural clothing. Do not use kitchen appliances between 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Watch channel 349. Respond to voices heard from drains, kitchens, or empty hallways.